Did you know this stunning, high-end marble-look kitchen countertop is actually engineered from paper, liquid chemicals, and intense heat? Stylam makes money by taking cheap raw materials, fusing them under massive pressure, and selling them as premium surfaces to over 80 countries worldwide. Backed by a brand new joint partnership with a Japanese design giant, they are launching a massive new facility this September that will nearly double their potential earnings. The stock is in a powerful long-term uptrend and has recently cooled down to a strong price floor, making it an incredibly stable springboard for investors. Just keep an eye on oil-based chemical costs and shipping delays, but if you want a rock-solid, low-volatility compounder, this is a stock to watch.